going to try to make a not particularly lovely topic somewhat positive. Talking about real estate agent self-defense, being safe in your businesses. How do you like this for an article? Okay. And as you scroll down, it basically talks about several murders and a couple of rapes, all of real estate agents. You keep scrolling down. Here's the list of those 7. Then, from another site, that one. The next one, Ambush Realtor. Notice who it was, a guy named Jim Olson. Guys, a lot of us think it's never going to happen to us. It can happen to us. When you hold an open house, especially a higher end house, you might be tempted to sit in the office that's right up front, that has a desk where you can do your work and you can look out, you can see people coming in. This is a great place. I'm going to be productive when I'm not having people in here. When they're coming in, I can be prepared for them. I can greet them once they've come in. The problem is when you do that, the minute they walk through the front door, they're now pinning you in that office. And again, they're between you and the only exit most of the time when people set up there. Typically, the absolute best place to hold an open house is the kitchen, because typically you have the most escapes from the kitchen. Here's the other thing that I like hearing people tell me. Jay, I go in and I go to every door and I make sure they're locked, especially the deadbolts. I lock them up so the only place someone can come in is the front door. How many of you like that? I hate it. I want every door unlocked so that if I am trying to leave, I don't have to stop and turn thumb bolts. I don't have to, God forbid, have a double key deadbolt. I actually have to unlock it with the key. I want to be able to get out as quickly as possible. So the first thing I do with respect to doors is go unlock them all. I actually had an agent tell me that she locks everything up, including the front door. Someone knocks or rings the doorbell. She goes and looks out the window and decides whether they look safe and whether she lets them out. Let's put it this way, they don't do open houses anymore. So, while I'm sitting in the kitchen and something evil happens, what can I use as a weapon? I can get to the knives. Especially this time of the year, I may well pick up the coffee pot. I may well have 3 weapons in my hand with the coffee pot. What's the first weapon? The coffee. And it's a club. And if it's a glass club, it may now be a knife if you break the glass. So think about anything that can be a weapon.